we saw like abstract class. So and abstract method, something which is incomplete is called as abstract. Abstraction. Abstraction, it is a process of hiding the implementation. Okay. Abstraction is a process of hiding the implementation. So how do we hide the implementation? So let us take one simple example. I have a class called as ATM card. Okay. So which is of, wait a sec, class called as ATM card, which is of abstract class. Okay. Just several method like void pin, which will take one argument int x. Okay. So this method is incomplete. This method is incomplete, which is incomplete is nothing but abstract, which doesn't have the body. Okay, when method is abstract, class also becomes abstract. Okay, class also becomes abstract. So when you have ATM card, okay, and ATM card also has several methods other than this, other than pin. What are the methods? We have void card number. Card number, let it be complete. I'll simply write SOP. Okay. So card number. Card number is completed. In ATM card, you can see the card number, complete card number, but you cannot see the pin. Okay. So this method is incomplete method. Okay. So now one complete method, one incomplete method. Yes or no? Pin method is incomplete. Card number is completed. Okay. So now what I will do, I will create a class called as class ATM machine. Okay, inherits ATM card. Class machine inherits ATM card. Okay, ATM machine has several implementation like balance you can check. Okay, and all the other things. But this pin feature will work only inside the ATM machine. It is implemented inside ATM machine, correct, and it is declared in ATM card. Without ATM card, we cannot use the feature called as pin. Yes or no? So I'll write void pin int x, and I am going to give the body over here. Okay, so inside this I will write like implementation saying that connect to the database, check whether this pin is there or not. If it is there, login successful, do that stuff. Okay, let me write the code over here. Instead of writing here, let me write it here. So we have one normal class called as run for execution purpose. Hopefully you can see that. Okay, I will write here class called as ATM card. Okay, void pinned index. Don't complete it. This is the abstract method, incomplete method. So I'll write here abstract keyword. When I write abstract keyword, this class became abstract. Okay, so I added abstract keyword here also. Now error is gone. Okay, then what are the other methods? Void, what was that? Card number. Card number is a static. No. Okay, let it be. X is the card number. Let it. So we have how many methods? Two methods. One is ATM card, sorry, pin and card number. Next, I will create a class called as ATM machine extends ATM card. So it is already throwing error saying that boss add unimplemented method. What are the unimplemented methods? The pin. Correct now? So when I write void pin and I give the body to it, error is gone. Error is gone. You can see that. So now, so I'll write if. As of now, I will consider my pin as 1234. I should verify in database actually. As of now, I am hard coding it. If it is 1234, system.out.println access to the account successful. Else, what? Access failed, wrong pin. Correct? Okay. So now I will create. So here, can we create object of ATM card? Not possible. Abstract class objects cannot be created. A class with the incomplete method, we cannot create object. We cannot create object of abstract class. Have you written that? We cannot create an object of abstract class. But we can create an object of new of ATM machine. Correct? But that can be stored in a reference of ATM card reference. Okay, so this is called as upcasting. Create a subclass object. Subclass is here ATM machine, new of ATM machine, and you try to store it in ATM. Okay, so now you will go to the pin feature. You'll enter the pin. You'll enter the pin 1, 2, 3, 4. You write it 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Access failed. Wrong pin. Understanding this? Now, if you give this card to anyone, this card reference. Hackers will hack through the reference variable, no, not through the object actually. Object is created during runtime only. Now someone create access this card one. Card one is a reference of ATM card. When they go to ATM card, they won't see any method implementation. Correct. See, my connection is here actually, 1 2 3 for validation, not here. So this is for security purpose. Normal. Hackers will directly log into your account and they will take the money. Now, only a method without a implementation. Okay. During runtime, this pin will go and connect to the ATM machine here. Okay, security purpose. Understanding this? Suppose tomorrow in ATM card, okay, they have implemented a logo. They nowadays in Kotak and all, if you give 500 rupees, they will put RCB logo and all. Have you seen that? It's there. So they will add a logo. Uh, let us have ATM card, the design. Card cards also provide that feature to the ATM machine. You will get completely RCB theme. Assume they have implemented like that. So I will write void logo, which is incomplete. Abstract keyword you wrote. So when you write logo, this is abstract. Here it is throwing error. Correct? It is throwing error. Why it is throwing error? Boss, pin method is completed. Card number here only it is completed, but ATM logo is not completed. Yes or no? So assume now inside the company, your manager will add one feature in the abstract class. Now developer should mandatorily finish it right. Otherwise, he will get this error. He will get this error. Add unimplemented methods. So sometimes what happens, okay, a developer should not miss out any of the feature. So when we have a lot of features, what they will create an abstract class and they will define it. Okay, definition will be inside the abstract class, just a definition. Implementation will be present inside the complete class, the subclass. In the superclass, abstraction is achieved in such a way that only definitions are present in the superclass and implementations are present in the subclass. Got it? So now, make a note of this. Abstraction, one simple example. Done. 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 Okay. So next, right. So this is about abstraction, guys. Abstraction is the process of hiding the implementation. Okay. So next, right heading, interface. Interface, it is similar to class. It is same as class only. Okay, you'll write now class, but class consists of complete methods. Abstract class consists of both complete and incomplete methods, but interface consists of 100% incomplete methods. All the methods inside the interface should be by default incomplete. Okay, so whatever method you write, so it is a type definition block. Okay, interface is a type definition which consists of 100% incomplete methods. Okay, why 100% incomplete methods we need? Okay, using normal class. Okay, using normal class, can we create inheritance like this? Let us assume this is class A and this is class Is it possible? Well, in class level, be class C, not possible. Why? Because assume, okay, assume this. Assume this is a dog. Assume this cat, this is called as cat. Okay, this sound. So I'll write dog makes a sound of bow bow. Cat makes a sound of meow. Okay. Now let us assume cat and dog got married. Sound. I sorry. Both have same feature. Now try to when you try to let us assume. Uh, Assume this as a baby. Okay, simply I'm writing class. In her, if you write this for understanding purpose, this is not possible. Okay, dog, comma cat. Okay, now when you write like this, what happens? Sound method would be inherited here. Dog sound method, cat sound method also inherited here. Now which implementation it will execute? Bow bow or meow meow. It gets confused. Correct, no? So Java restricts this. ಇದಾಗಲ್ಲ using class level. Understanding this? Assume same scenario using interface. We have an interface dog. We have an interface cat. Okay. Now interface dog, interface cat. Now interface should consist of what? 100% incomplete, no? Now when you write sound method, you should doesn't have any implementation. Yes or no? Here also sound method, no implementation. Okay, there is no body, implementation illa. So now we saw like a class called as baby, which inherits both dog and cat. Now tell me, the sound will inherit here. Is there any implementation to some? Is there any implementation? No, only one sound method. No implementation. You can implement over here. No confusion. That's why interface, using interface, you can create one more class, something like cow or something. Inherits baby. Understanding this? So interface is used for multiple inheritance. Multiple inheritance in class it is not possible. In class multiple inheritance is not possible. Why? Because features implementation may collide. That sound method, this sound method, that is bow bow, this is meow meow, confusion in the subclass which one to execute. But here no implementation. Yes or no? So that's why interface is used for multiple inheritance. Okay, why multiple inheritance? We will see that. Okay, the major advantage of this interface is multiple inheritance. Okay, make a note. Interface is a type definition which is used to create type definition which consist type definition which consist 100% incomplete methods. 100% incomplete methods. 100% incomplete methods. 100% incomplete method. So if you want to write, okay, why interface basically created, uh, what is your name? Tanvir. Is Tanvir exist in universe? No, no, no. I'm asking that Tanvir. Physically something is there. You are there. You are a human. You are there. Okay. That Tanvir is pointing him. Okay. Let us assume. You know vegetable. Okay. Vegetable. Okay. You say vegetable. Vegetable. Now, is this vegetable exist in universe? Does it exist in universe? Any physical entity? No. This vegetable will point potato. Vegetable will point tomato. Correct? That physical entity. It is used as a reference purpose. It is used as a reference purpose. You understanding this? Interface is also same thing. Which in program vegetable doesn't acquire the memory, stores the address of it. In RAM some object is created, no, stack and heap. In heap some object is created, no, in heap. Stack interface reference will point to that. Okay. Interface doesn't keep anything. Interface doesn't keep anything. Interface is used as a reference variable. Interface can be used to achieve multiple inheritance. An interface is used to achieve code loosely coupled. What is loosely coupled? Say for example, you have written 10 lines of code. Now suddenly, now suddenly, you have done some changes somewhere. Somewhere you did some change. This change should not impact the other line of code. Okay, this type of code is called as tightly coupled code. When you do addition, deletion, or modification in the code should not impact. That code should not impact. That is loosely coupled code. Tight coupling means you do some modification, everywhere it will change. That is tight coupling. Understanding the difference? So interface advantages these three things. One major thing is using interface we can achieve multiple inheritance. Right? Advantages of interface. Hello? Advantages of interface. Interface is used to achieve multiple inheritance. Second point. Using interface, using interface, we can achieve code loosely coupled. Code loosely coupled. Third point. Using interface can be used as reference variable. Reference variable. Shall I show how? Okay, it's here. So one thing, guys, one more point I want to say. Whatever variable you define inside the interface, by default it is static and final. Final means what? Whose value you cannot change it. Whose value you cannot change. Final members. Okay. Say for example, if you write interface, you need to write like this interface. I will write vegetable. All the method inside the vegetable, it should be incomplete. What are the features of vegetable? Huh? Okay. Void taste. Okay. Then void shape. You need to tell vegetable shape. Okay. Uh, Then void color. Oh, one tomato you will wait. Don't ask. Okay. We have three things common. Okay. Now, tomato class. Tomato is a vegetable or fruit? Sure, it is a vegetable. Tomato. Okay. If you want to inherit this tomato class, need to inherit vegetable means we should use implements, not extents. Implements keyword. When a class want to inherit from the interface, we should not use extents keyword. We should not use extents. We should use implements. Okay, implements vegetable. Make a note. Make a note. For inheriting from the interface, for inheriting from the interface, we use what? Implements keyword. Okay, now see here. It is asking, it is throwing error. It is throwing error. Correct. Now add unimplemented methods. So when you click that, automatically everything will come, or else what you need to do, void. So always method should be public. Okay, this method, inherited method, should be public. Void. What was that? Taste, first one. What is the taste of tomato? Tell me. You only said no taste. Sweet. Savor also. That depends on the tomato. Okay. As of now I wrote sweet. Void. Shape. What is the shape of the tomato? Round. Okay, your wish. Round in shape. Then wide. Don't say round. Say something else. Shape is circle. Color. See, if you are not writing public, it will throw error. So write public method. Okay. Now, which is the superclass? Vegetable. Which is the subclass? Tomato. So now you can write like vegetable vg is equals to new of tomato. Interface is used as a reference variable. Interface is used as a reference variable. Understanding this? Okay. Same way, you can create one more. It is just like you are creating a vegetable interface, and under this you can create tomato, potato, and whatever it is. Okay. Create an object of this, assign it to the superclass reference. Class what? Another vegetable. Some vegetable names. Good vegetable. Bitter gourd. Okay. Carrot is also sweet, no? Bitter gourd. Correct, huh? GAURD, na? Huh? Extends, not extends, implements vegetable. So add unimplemented method. See, you can directly click on here, add unimplemented method. See, it will come. Remove this at override, okay? Taste, shape, color. So now, what you need to print? Taste. Bitter gourd, which taste? Bitter. Shape. Bitter gourd shape is it? Okay. What shape you can say? Bitter gourd is square ಇಲ್ಲ cylinder. Okay. Okay. Color. Green, ಅಲ್ಲ? How many like this vegetable? Color green. Okay. So, so we have bitter gourd implement. So can I write this is VG1 I wrote vegetable VG2 new of bitter gourd. Understanding this? Interface is used as a reference variable. Make a note of this. An example program. So abstract and interface. Very clear. Abstract consists of both complete and incomplete methods. Uh, Interface consists of 100% incomplete. Okay. So I told you one more thing. So if you write any variable inside the this thing, let's see, int I is equals to 10. Okay, this is the variable. So it would be there now in vegetable VG1, it would be there. VG1 dot I. This value you cannot change, it will throw error. Okay, write one note. Variables inside the interface. Variables inside the interface by default static and final.
How it is like public static parallel.
Static and final.
And the methods are public abstract class by default.
Method should be public when you inherit. It is not public inside the interface. Outside.
Okay. By default, I think it is public abstract.
Which
That methods in that interface.
by default it is abstract only. That's what in definition only we say, no? 100% incomplete. Abstract.
But then we can also create config methods over there using like new Java updates. We can like use private and
They
public
agree.
static keywords to
That is
create.
not for us.
We don't use it.
Like this.
By using private and public static keywords to create config.
Static.
Static and private. That is
Static mode. Okay. But don't confuse. Right. Okay. Okay, understood till here. Okay, this is the major topic in Java. Okay, major topic in Java is this abstraction only. So tomorrow we will see about encapsulation, access specifier encapsulation. Okay, abstraction is hiding the implementation. Encapsulation is hiding the data. Abstraction is for methods. Encapsulation is for variables. Very simple. Okay. Here we hide the features or implementation. There we hide the data only. Okay. So before doing encapsulation, we should know about access specifiers. Okay. Tomorrow we'll see that topic. Probably within 2 weeks, 3 weeks, we can able to meet Java. Then we can start selling. Okay, guys. Thank you.